Liphendula ngokuchithwa kwesicelo somvikeli womphakathi enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape kanye nokumiswa kwakhe, ihhovisi lakhe lithe umsebenzi uzoqhubeka ngokwejwayelekile. Estatimendeni iphini lomvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Caleka lithe lizoqhubeka nokuphenya zonke izikhalo eziphambi kwalo ngaphandle kokwesaba nokuchema. Bekulokhu kufufuse njalo ukumiswa kuMkhwebane. Ngenyanga edlule wathumela kuMengameli izathu zokuthi kungani kumele angamisi emsebenzini. Izolo uMengameli ugcine esithathile isinqumo sokumisa. IDA ithi uMengameli bekufanele ngabe kade asithatha isinqumo sokumisa Mkhwebane.
I think it's long overdue and certainly very welcome. Ms. Mkhwebane has brought great shame and dishonor on that very important constitutional office. We were opposed to her appointment from the beginning because we knew what she was going to do and how she was going to set about doing it. She's embarrassed herself and her office through these frivolous court cases and disastrous findings. She's been disproved in nearly every court in the land, and I think the sooner we see the back of her, the better.
Amaqembu iFF Plus kanye neKapa asemukele isinqumo sikaMengameli.
There are several court cases where the court found that she was not suitable for the position of public protector.
It's long overdue. For years, we have called on Parliament and President Ramaphosa to fire this public protector.
Kepha-ke amanye amaqembu anombono owehlukile. INFP ithi sisho likhulu isinqumo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa akumele sithathwe kancane. IATM ithi besingakafiki isikhathi sokuba uMengameli athathe lesi sinqumo futhi lesi senzo sikubeka kucace ukuthi simayelana nophenyo obelizokwenziwa uMkhwebane ngeinsolo ezibhekiswe kuye.
The timing of the suspension of the public protector is suspicious and very unfortunate, considering the fact that Parliament had already indicated that it was forging ahead with its processes to impeach her. We were expecting the President to allow that process and all other processes to unfold before taking or arriving at such a decision.
We're very much shocked that the State President decided to suspend the public protector. And we believe this action by the President is premature.
Kusenjalo unobhala jikelele we-ANC osamisiwe uAce Magashule uthi uMkhwebane akaphathwanga ngendlela efanele.
Remember, there's a court case today where the public protector was going to argue his case and or her case and all that. Why do we suspend somebody when there is a court case? Why do you disrespect the law?
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi isinyathelo esithathwa uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa siyahambisana nomthethosisekelo nomnikeza igunya lokumisa umvikeli womphakathi.